Good day, it's a guy Nesto. Today I would like to take you through how to create a simple YouTube channel. I've been receiving a whole lot of comments about how to create it, and this is a simple way. Anyway, before you create your channel, make sure you have a Gmail account. So I've already created my account. Then you navigate to www.youtube.com. Then you click on sign in button. Okay. So you will log in with your Gmail details. I've already created one, so let me use this one for sign. Type my password. Okay, so we are in the YouTube account. So the first thing that you have to do is to click on this one. I click on create a channel and get started. You see that you use your own name as the name of the channel or use a custom name. So we like to use a custom name, whichever way that you want, you can choose it. So you click on this one, select, then any name that you want for your channel, you can type it. So I like to use this one, this consult. Then I take this one, I understand, and I create. Let's wait as it loads. So just so I can skip to YouTube Studio. Okay, so in case it's delaying you, you can equally open a new tab and type in youtube.com. Already the account has already been created. Then move on to the next procedure. So you see it here, it's already signed. So now you click on your channel because the channel has already been created in the first tab here. So that's next consult. So you click on your channel to make some small modification of your channel. Okay, we are through with it. So here you can click on customize channel. Let me open it in new tab. Customize channel. You can click here to customize your channel to the way that you want. You can equally click on this photo that you see here to change your channel icon, any picture at all that you want to use. So let's click on customize channel. Okay, so here, like I said, you can click on this pencil tool to change the icon, and you can use any picture for your background, any picture at all. Then you can read on your, you can add certain things to your channel, what your channel is about. All those details, you can fill everything in this section. Okay, so this is just a simple one that anybody at all can do. Then you navigate to my channel to show you one or two things over there too. So it's just simple. It's simple. It doesn't take much. It's simple. So you can move on to your settings. Okay, so with this aspect also, you can equally click on any of the buttons over here to do the settings within your channel. Everything they are just simple. You can equally go to the advanced settings. So the advanced settings, anything that you want to do, if in case you want to delete the channel, probably you made a mistake, you can also delete the channel and follow the same process from step 1 and create it again. And with this button, if in case you want to upload any video, you can click on it. When you are done creating it, you can click on it and then upload your video for the first time. So actually that's all about creating your own YouTube channel. It doesn't take much. Once the video is uploaded, you can also share the link which normally shows at the bottom of the video when you are done uploading it. I've already created my channel and I wouldn't like to go through any other long process, but let me log into my main channel and show you how to share your video once it's uploaded. So I'll sign out from this one. I was just using this one to show you how everything is done. So I'll sign to my channel. Okay, so like I said, I use the other account to show you how to create a channel. Now I've logged into my main YouTube channel. So in case I want to upload something, I'll click on this one right here. Click on skip to YouTube. Okay, so this option will show, so I'll just select the file that I want to upload. So I have some video on desktop that I would like to upload. A very short video. Okay, probably I want to upload this one, so I click on this, then okay, so it will start uploading. Just wait whilst it uploads. Then I'll give a description to the video. The title of the video, probably how to use Photoshop. Yeah, that's just a sample thing. So I'll give a description, any description at all that I want to give to your video. You can type everything here. You can give as many description that you want. So you go down, this video, probably your video is for kids, then you click on yes, but this one is not for kids, so I click on no. I'll go to the next section here. I won't add anything, so I'll go to next. So that's the video visibility. I'll click on either public here, so I'll click on public. Make sure this one is tick. When you're done, you click on publish. So I'll click on publish. Okay, so now the video is uploading. Just take it that I don't want it to upload. Okay, let's wait for the video too. Okay, so it's finished. It's finished with the processing. You see over here, finished processing. So I can click on close over here. So this is the video. So this is the video. There's an option. So this is get the shareable link. When you click on get the shareable link, it will automatically be copied to clipboard, where you can share the link to other pages. Okay, so I don't like this video to go viral. I will delete it. So you click on it. That's also a way that you can delete video from your file. So viewers, that's all about creating a YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.